This is going to be a really quick video on fractions with a TI-30XS multi-view. Now this calculator looks like what you see on the left. This is one of my favorite TI calculators. I think it's got multiple lines of viewing, and I think it might be the easiest really to input functions and things. So the first thing, today we're just talking about fractions. So if you locate the N over D button, so if you start at the top, it's in third row down, second one in, just the white letters N over D. That's a fraction button. So if you click on that, it is going to give you an empty spot on the top and an empty spot on the bottom, and you can input your fractions. So if you want to add fractions to, subtract, multiply, whatever, you can use that every time you need to input a fraction into your calculator. Now, you will notice that there are yellow, green, I don't know, the color might be, it's hard to see in this video, but right above the button, you see something written in yellow. So at the very top row, you see the second button, and then to the right, you see quit and insert, right? Those are the yellow things. These are the secondary functions of each button. So if we want to access that, first, we use the second button, and then we hit the button that we want. So going back to the N over D button, if you look right above that in yellow, you see a big capital U and then N over D. That tells you mixed number. So if you would use second, then hit the N over D button, it's going to enter a mixed number template into your calculator, and you can type in your mixed number. Makes it very nice. Now, if you go to the right of the ND button, you see in white, it says times 10 to the N. In yellow, right above it, you should see the symbol that you see on the screen, N over D, 2 arrows, and then U, N over D. This is going to show you or change numbers from fractions, improper fractions, to mixed numbers or vice versa. So if you have a mixed number into your calculator, so if you have 3 2/3 or something like that, that you input with the U, N over D button, then you can hit second, the 10 to the N button, and it'll change between improper fraction and mixed numbers. If you need to change between fractions and decimals, if you look at the button that says table, right, in white, it says table. Right above that, you see in yellow the F, then 2 arrows and a D. That tells you we are changing between fractions and decimals. So if you have, if you type in 0.2, then second in that table button, it will then give you 1/5. It will give you a reduced fraction. If you need to simply reduce a fraction, you can do that as well. To reduce a fraction, all you need to do is input the fraction into your calculator. So you'll use that N over D button, put the numbers in, and then hit the enter. And once you hit enter, it will automatically reduce that fraction for you. So maybe that will help you use your TI-30XS with fractions.